It's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So if you want to see what I'm unboxing, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright squad, I got a package in the mail yesterday and I didn't have time to unbox it, but today I have it right here, and it says Tackling Techniques and Designs, Silk Screening and Vinyl Graphics from David Tackling. All the way from Santa Cruz, California, right here. Y'all can check that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and let you guys see what's inside. Alright, as you see, I got my trusty safety blade right here. So whoa, what in the world is this? I don't even know. I got this and this right here and this right here. So right here, product sign. Oh, this is a pounce pad. Okay. Alright, I did a video a while back and David left a comment about a pounce pad. So right here, this looks like 2 pounce pads. So when I get a chance to figure out how to use these, I will do a video on it. And right here you have, it says pounce powder and okay, 2 pounce powders right here. So I don't know exactly what to do with it just yet. He did kind of tell me, but I'm going to figure it out and I'm going to do a video for y'all. I just want to do this quick little video on this right quick. Let me go ahead and cut this open because I think this is a letter maybe from him. Okay, it says with no powder. Okay, yeah, so these are just some vinyl letters to weed. So I'm gonna do all this for you guys in another video because right now I don't know how to do it, and I thought it was just gonna be a quick little unboxing for you guys because I gotta get something done right quick before somebody come by here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, but I appreciate you watching. If you guys enjoy watching my videos, be sure to check down below and click on some of my affiliate links, you know, if you're looking to buy equipment and stuff like that. And I appreciate you guys watching. See you in another video. Prince Squad out. Alright, Prince Squad, I decided to come back to this video. Even though it's a different day, I decided to come back to this video, even though I said I was going to do this in a separate video, because I looked over everything and I see what he has done. Okay, so David Tackling was explaining to me under one of my YouTube videos what pounce powder was, and I didn't really get it. I didn't understand it. So what he basically did, he sent it to me, like right here. This is you know, this is what he sent. Same thing I just showed you earlier right here. So I'm gonna just show you guys what he has done. So if you look right here, oh, okay, I'm gonna show you this one first. Right here, this one says with no powder. With no powder right here. So as you see, I don't even know if y'all can see the cut lines on here. It's kind of hard to see the cut lines on here. But he did this same one right here, and it says with powder, as you see right there. And as you see, you can see the lines on here. You can see it, so you would know where to weed and where not to weed. So basically what he was doing is, I'm going to grab one of my light tables over here and let you guys check it out. So basically what he was saying is, if you use the pounce powder, you do not use this. But this vinyl that he sent right here, this is actually signed vinyl. And I'm not sure if this works with t-shirts. I don't know, David, but if it does, you can let me know down below if it works with the heat press vinyl, because that's what I bought this for. Because I don't really do a lot of the decals. I mean, I have done some, but you know, I mostly do t-shirts, not that many decals. So right here, this is just a light table that you would use for weeding, and I kind of cut through and show you guys what it would look like if you was weeding on that. But yeah, he was basically saying you can use a pounce bag or pounce powder, and as you see right here, it makes things a lot easier to see. You can actually see where it needs to be weeded at. But if you put this one right here, you cannot really see it that well. So you can see the difference in both of those right there. You can see a big difference. So I do agree, you know, it does make a difference, but the only thing is I don't know if it works with t-shirts. So I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like if you're weeding using this light table right here. Alright, so as you see right here, this is the one with the pounce powder on it right here. You don't necessarily need this to weed that, but once you put this one here, he actually has a piece of tape. Let me take this tape off the back. Alright, once you put this here, hopefully you guys can see right there that you can see the lines clear. Right here you can see the lines very easy. So I'm going to take my weeding tool right here, and you can easily weed this because you can see everything very easily. I'm going to do that on purpose, tear that parts off. Okay, so right here now you can see exactly where you need to be weeding it with this light. Alright, so if you have this one right here where you don't necessarily need that, you can see this one also. I'm just going to go ahead and weed this one too, because it puts a black line right there. You know, and you can weed it easily right there. So both of them, you know, pretty easy to weed with both of them. One is using the light table, which, by the way, is a real helpful thing when you're weeding, especially if you don't have pounce powder. Alright, y'all, so I just want to show you that, and I appreciate you for sending me that, David. I have to try it out, but I do want to know that question I asked earlier, if it works with the t-shirt stuff before I actually put it on there, because I don't want it to mess up the adhesive on there. But I appreciate you, and y'all make sure y'all check the links down below if y'all interested in any of the products or equipment that I use, and I will see you guys in another video. Prince Squad out.